Teamwork makes the dream work, especially when it comes to defending. Here's what you need to know about balance in defending. It's an attacker's dream and a defender's nightmare. An attacker gets past the pressure defender and the next defender, who is providing cover. Luckily, there's still hope. That's where balance comes in. Defenders not close enough to pressure the ball or provide cover still serve an important function. They find positions further from the ball, guarding areas of the field to block passes to nearby attackers or those who run behind them. They're also prepared to jump in and apply new pressure if the ball comes their way, shifting into the pressure defender position while their teammates reposition themselves to provide new cover and balance. The idea is for defenders to respond fluidly to the movement of attackers and the ball as one cohesive unit. Let's see that again. Find your position, back up your teammates, stop the attack. A balanced defense, like a soccer symphony.